swallow food, so the doctor advised that she needs to have an food intake through NGT for 1 month. And if after 1 month, if you can she already can swallow food, then probably we'll try that one. But before nasogastro-tube feeding, in order to maintain her good health, we need to get the phlegm out from his or her from her lungs rather, using a nebulizer. A nebulizer is a medical equipment that will soften o ino na lang natong mo luag o sa iyang plima kana mo muhumok ang iyang plima. So this is the
nebulizer equipment,
the medical equipment known as nebulizer, and the process of this is nebulization. Before nebulization, before suction, in order to get the phlegm, she needs to her phlegm suck out from her bodies. But before suction process, there's a need to nebulize. There's a need for nebulization. In the nebulization process, a mask is needed, and below the mask, a medicine is put in place below, and this is now the medicine, because this medicine will facilitate mga mahumok ang iyang plima. So it is in touch.
This is the process.
It is in touch to the mask, and then the mask is linked with the this tube. Which is part of the nebulizer machine. As you can see.
We will start, Doc.
Without my permission, nebulization cannot start. Nini cannot start without my consultation, huh? Because as you can see, I'm a quack doctor. No, I'm just joking, no, but this process is serious, really. So we will start now. When we turn on the nebulizer machine, the nebulization will start. Okay. Oy, ikaw, madeni mo nga library.
Nagkurog na ko.
Okay, we'll turn the nebulizer.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Ano ni siya? Kaya nebulize siya.
That is
The smoke will come out.
The nebulizer already is operating, and
It begins to smoke.
as you can see, doon ay magawas nga mga smoke. Sa ato pa, take effect na ang iyang kuan. So kung mag-inhale si mama,